My name is Snehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 9 October 2021. So today topic is wrapper classes. So what is wrapper classes? Wrapper classes means it is a mechanism to convert the primitive data type into the object and object into the primitive data type. So there are the mainly two types into the wrapper classes. First one is auto boxing, second one is unboxing. So since J2SE is providing the auto boxing and unboxing features into the Java because what is auto boxing? Auto boxing it's convert the primitive to objects and vice versa for the unboxing. It means that it's whenever if we have a wrapper class object, then we can convert it into the primitive data type. So into the object oriented programming language, we have need to create a object in multiple time. So we need the object multiple time whenever we execute the code. First we create an object of that code, an object of that class, then we can execute it that specific code. If we don't create a object of that code, then we cannot execute, because the JVM always need to create a object. So that's why we create a object. Then for this we have a lots of use of the object into the Java. So first one is a change the value into the method. So Java always pass the always call the value, always pass the call by value. So if we have a primitive data, if you pass or if you change the primitive data type, so we cannot change the original value if you pass the primitive value. But if we can't change the original value, because but if you have a primitive value, then we can create an object of that primitive value, and then we can change the original value by using the primitive objects. So next one is serialization. If you need to convert the object into the stream to perform the serialization, then we can use the primitive object to convert the to perform the serialization. We can create the primitive object using the primitive value. So next one is the synchronization. Synchronization used to create an object, and it is used in the multi-threading. Then we have a next one is a collection of the frame. Collection of the frame is creating the object. Is it used in the array, linked list, and multi array, hash map, hash set, mapping, and so on. We are using the collection of the frame in multiple ways. We are only create an object into the collection of the frame. So we have a eight type of the wrapper classes. First one is a byte to byte. But if we create a wrapper of integer, if we create a primitive data type into the wrapper class, then we always start it from the capital letter. From it always start the capital letter. If we need to create a primitive data type of the wrapper class, then we always starting it from the capital letter. So char is a character, then boolean is a boolean, float is a float, long is a long, and integer int is a integer. So these are the eight wrapper classes. It's perform the primitive. It is an primitive data types. So what is auto boxing? Auto boxing is automatically converts the primitive into the primitive data type into the object using the wrapper class. But since Java 5 we don't need the value of pass the value of the method, so we not using the into the wrapper class, so we not using mostly the auto boxing. So what is unboxing? Unboxing is it's convert the wrapper class into the primitive data type. It's mean that we are creating the object into the wrapper class, and it's convert into the primitive value. It's convert into the primitive value. So same thing for that. Since Java 5, we need to pass the value to the method. So we are not into the wrapper class. So we are not using mostly the unboxing into the wrapper classes. So these are the points of the wrapper classes. So which is explained. I'm trying to explain. And then thank you.